Alright, so hello everybody. Today we're gonna do the Rubik's Cube. Yeah, Hugo style, you know. So right now I have the cube right now. So yeah. So when I solve this, it's gonna prove me that I'm not dumb. I mean, yeah, I'm the smartest guy you might ever see. So here we go, guys. Let's do this. Yes, let's do this, okay. Okay. Let's do this. Come on. Oh, guys, it's the final countdown. Da, da, da. Da, 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 da. Wait, guys. Oh. Alright, guys. So now I'm like really nervous. If this thing hits completely, then I might die. Okay, out of from being too no.